Oh, so I'm Christina, if you haven't met me yet. Also, we're here for a 30-minute crunch kind of lunch burn. And you're gonna need medium and light dumbbells, or you could have 2 water bottles. We're going to be 30 minutes long. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. One minute. I'm ready. All right, guys, so we're gonna just get started. We're gonna start with a warm up. Let's start in march in place. Picking up those legs and moving those arms at the same time. Lubricating the joints. Oh, there you are. Side to side. We're gonna pull this into high knees, just moving a little bit faster, adding a little bit of a hop. Not a high knee, but just a little jog, bigger movement. Kind of like a jog. Use those hands. Lateral lunge is coming. In 3, 2, 1, you put your feet together, side. And side. Side, keeping that chest up proud. The head is looking forward, not down. A few more like that. Down and down. We're gonna hold it in the center. The feet come wider than the legs, the thighs, down and up. We're gonna touch the ground and reach up tall, squatting. Five more like this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the squat. Open those legs just a little wider. We're going side to side with a punch. Twisting our torso side to side. Waking up that body. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks. You got 10. Let's go. Once you reach 10, you're meeting me in a reverse lunge. Touching the knee to the ground and coming back up. Reverse lunge. Chest stays up proud. 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys, we got burpees. To a curl to press. So watch here. I got 2 dumbbells in my hand. You're here for 60 seconds. I'm going down, out, up, curl, press, back down again. So from an angle, down, in, curl, press. Down, out, in, curl, press. 60 seconds, all right? We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. You can step this out, curl, press. 60 seconds here. Your body should still be getting warm. Take it slow, 1 breath at a time. Keeping the butt low and the head around above the heart the whole time. 30 seconds left. burpee, curl to press. Go. Yep. You got it. And time. All right. Lateral raise, side, front raise. So side, front. Ready, go. 60 seconds. We got 3 exercises, 60 seconds each time, and we've got 10 seconds in between. Front. You can use your foot as a kickstand here to support your low back. Light weight should be used in this exercise. Chest is up proud, the back is engaged. You're 30 seconds in, you got 30 to go. Back, front. Woo! Good job. You got it. Katrina, that looks perfect. Good job. Don't come above those shoulders. You got 10 seconds, and we're going into a push-up with a renegade row. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze. You got 10 seconds to relax transition. A push-up. We have our weights in our hands. I'm going down, row, row. Down, row, row. The knees are okay. Ready, set, go. So if it's on your knees, you're going down, row, row. Squeezing the glutes all the way. Do not arch that back and stick that butt out. Good, good, good. Looking good, looking good. Oh, there's a child in our view. Yes, extra weight for mom. 13 seconds here, and we're going back to that burpee bicep curl to press. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds. Breathe. Reset. Roll those shoulders up, back and down out of those ears. And the burpee is ready. Set. Go. Round 1. Down. Up. Curl and press. Down. Out. Looking 3 feet in front of you the whole time through. Looking good. Halfway there, you got 30 seconds to go. Come on. You're doing so good. Front raise to lateral raise is next. Keep it going. Keep that burpee tight. Ten seconds here. How many more can you do? Push yourself. 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds. Take a break. Drink some water. Lateral to front raise. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Kickstand if you need it to protect that low back. My foot comes back. Last. Front. We're never going over that shoulder. Front. The head looks forward. Your body is strong. You got this. Woohoo, Susan. I like it with a smile. Good job. You're doing it, Anna. Woo. Yep. You can also, if that weight is too heavy, you can do one side at a time. Alternating sides. That way you're not pulling your form into this movement. Good job. Good transition. You got 8 seconds, and we're back to that push-up with a renegade row. In 3, 2, 1, yeah! 10 seconds to breathe and get down on the ground. You got 3, 2, 1, let's begin. row, row, down, row, and row. One at a time. You're only doing one thought at a time. You got it, girls. You got it. We're 10 minutes into our workout. We got 20 more to go. Squeeze that glute if you're on your knees. Squeeze the butt tight. Shoulders down. The core is engaged. Your abs are braced. You got 10 seconds left. How many can you do? Woo! Judy, go! And breathe. We're coming into cardio, team. Come on up. We got 5 seconds. We're going into jumping jacks for 60 whole seconds. Ready, set, go. Jump. Go, go, go. 60 seconds here. We don't relax. We don't rest. We can step it out if we need to. The hands touch at the top. Keep it going. We're halfway there. Jump ropes are next. We don't need the rope. We just need the movement. Keep it up. Woo! You got it. 10 seconds. You got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. Jump ropes are next. Still staying in cardios. We start in 4, 3, 2, 1. Side to side. Tapping those feet. Pretending we have a jump rope in our hand. Keep it up, keep it up. We got 45 seconds left. Woo, we're getting tired. Come on, push yourself. We got 25 seconds left. We're so close. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Breathe. All right, team. Our next 3 exercises. We've got a bent over row. I'm hinging at the hips. My arms are straight down. My back is engaged. I'm not like this. No, 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 no. Up, solid. Rah. All right. We've got a row, upright row. So row, upright. So 1, 2. Don't start yet. Don't start yet. We got 60 seconds. Following that, we have a weighted lateral lunge. They're just going to be right here on our shoulders. And we're going to go side to side. So side to side. Here, together, here, together. Whole time keeping our bodies upright. Following. Weighted good morning. Same thing. Our weights are on our shoulders here, or you can hold them to your chest, but you have them on your shoulders. You're going down. Now in my good morning, I'm not looking down and letting my head drop. My back is straight, my butt is out, my knees are slightly bent, and I'm staying straight, hinging at the hip. Exercise 1, bent over row to upright row. Ready? Get set. Go! Woo! Row, lift. With that upright row, You are leading with the elbow. Your wrist should never come above your arm. All right? Good job. Good corrections. Great. So row, upright. Shoulders stay down, elbows lead up. You could use your heavy weights here. This is a primary mover muscle. We could go heavy. "20 seconds left here. You've got it. You've got it, Anna. You look good. Good job. When you do those upright rows, come up straight. Squeeze the glutes, upright row. All right? You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Weighted lateral lunges. So we have the weights on our shoulders. Our chest is up proud. You got 3, 2, 1. You're going back. Touch the knee on the ground. Oh, I'm sorry. It's lateral lunge. Side. You were right. Sorry, guys. Side to side. Again, heavy weights can be used here. Our whole body is standing us up. Feet together, lunge. The knee does not go over that toe. You've got to sit back in the heels, pushing the glutes back. Don't forget to breathe. "15 seconds left. Weighted good mornings are next. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds. Adjust your weights, breathe, get a drink of water. We're going into those weighted good mornings. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Slight bend in those knees, flat back, up. The head stays lifted, do not look behind you. You got it. Hinging at that hip. You're gonna feel this in your hamstrings. And tomorrow, you're gonna notice that those happen today. That's why they're called good mornings. They don't show up until tomorrow morning. You got it. Karina, that looks good. You can hold it to your chest if you'd like. That's okay too. You just gotta keep that chest up proud. Hinge at the hip, like you're bending down to get something. 15 seconds left and we go back to that bent over row to upright row, round 1, like we did before. Heavy weights. In 3, 2, 1, freeze. Breathe in, breathe out, and we're going on. Ready, set, go, row, upright, row, up. Squeezing the shoulder blades together in the back with that row, with the bent over row. Way to go, way to go. Remember, those elbows are leading you with the upright row, not your wrists. Elbows, not the wrists. The wrists stay down, elbows go up. 24 seconds left, and then we go back to that lateral lunge with the weights on our shoulders. You got it. And freeze. So you can hold the weights to your chest or on those shoulders, on the meaty part of your neck, and you're gonna go side to side. Ready, get set, go for round 2. Side to side. Getting deep into that squat and pushing up with the heels of your feet. 30 seconds in, you got 30 to go. Looking good, looking good. Christy, I know you look good. Even though I can't see some of you guys. Ten seconds here. And we got our weighted good mornings. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Way to go, girls, all the way to the end. You got 10 seconds to breathe and we start again. 3, 2, and 1. Put those weights on your shoulders and bend over. Don't look. Looking 3 feet in front of you the whole time, neutral spine. Good job. 35 seconds to go. Really feeling this in the back of your legs. Cardio comes next. We've got mountain climbers and long jumps. Woohoo! That'll be fun. Keep it up, keep it up. Do not look behind you, ladies. Do not look behind you. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Get ready for it. We got 1 whole minute of mountain climbers. We're on the ground. Ready, set, go. Keeping the head lifted and the butt down. You can do these at an elevation, on a bar, or on something lifted like a stool that is sturdy. And you're just gonna run your legs. Woo! Like you're climbing a mountain so speedy Gonzalez fast. Keep going. Left. You can do it. You can do it. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Back up again. All right. Recover. You only have a little bit of time. We're going long jumps. So if you have a mat, you're jumping over it, turning around, jumping over it again. Ready, set, go. If jumping is not available to you today, I want you to get low in that squat, walk over it, turn around, and do it again with the other lead leg. So low squat and do your walk. Okay? Good job, Katrina. Karina, that's good. Long jumps, you're jumping over that mat. Woo! Soft landing, bend those knees. Seconds, and we're back to mountain climbers. And freeze, mountain climbers, let's go. You got 10 seconds to breathe, get down on the floor, ready, set, go. Thirty seconds left. Come on, girls. Do not give up. Keep that head lifted up. Looking 3 feet in front of you. Don't let that head hang. In 3, 2, 1, let it go. All right, girls, we got core. We're gonna hold a 30-second plank. We're gonna hold on the chair. So I wanna show you, if you have a wall close to you, you're gonna hold a wall sit, like this. So we're way back here, we're just sitting. All right? So plank, wall, and then we're done, we're cooling down, all right? Ready, 30-second plank hold, set, go, hold it. Strong core, strong body, push back in those heels. The hands are underneath the shoulders, and my core is braced tight. You're halfway there, you got 10 seconds. Wall sit is next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final wall. Ready, set, 30 seconds, and go. Hold it. We got 10 seconds left to go. Come on. You can do hard things. Yes, you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Back to that plank. Ready, set. You start in 3, 2, 1. Pick up those knees. Go. One more wall sit after this. That's it. And then we're all finished for today. Halfway. Shoulders down. The head looks up the whole time. You got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Speed over to that wall. Let's go. Wall sit starts now. And begin. Get lower than that. 10 seconds in, you got 20 to go. Keep going, keep holding. You got 3, 2, 1. Let it go and breathe. You guys did so good. I want you to take one deep inhale, standing tall in front. I'll reach those arms up to the sky and exhale, forward fold. Forward fold. Let those arms hang. Let the head hang. You're gonna shake your head yes. Shake your head no. And let those arms dangle. Go ahead and slowly roll up, one vertebrae at a time. The head comes up last. Roll those shoulders up, back down. And 2 times. One arm crosses over the chest, shoulder comes down. Same arm, we're gonna reach up into the middle of our back. So we're gonna here. Shoulders down still. Reach up to the sky. We're gonna twist those wrists in. Twist those wrists out. Opposite arm comes over that chest, shoulder comes down. Same arm, we're gonna reach up to the middle of our back. And again, we're gonna twist those wrists in. Twist those wrists the other way. Opposite leg, heel to glute. Pushing the knee back and in. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side, do it again. Push that knee back and in. And we're gonna open those legs really, really deeply wide. And we're just gonna hinge down, flat back, and come back up. Again, we're going down, flat back, and come back up. Good job today. You guys all did it. You rocked it. I'm Christina. I haven't met you before. It's nice to meet you. I hope you're staying cool and safe out there. All right, see you later.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome.
Thank you.